This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering a clean, high-quality source audience because the algorithm copies signals from it. Once you have 1,000 plus recent converters or a customer list with LTV, upload it as a custom audience in Events Manager or Audiences. Make sure identifiers like emails and phones are formatted correctly. This raises match rate. After upload, wait for completion and verification. Now that the source is ready, you're set to create the lookalike itself in Ads Manager. You go into Ads Manager and choose Create Right Arrow Lookalike Audience. This is where execution matters. First, select your verified source and the target country or region. Next, pick the audience size. 1% is closest match. Larger percentages broaden reach. If available, combine weighted sources or choose event-based lookalikes for better intent signals. Once done, name the audience clearly and save. Then allow up to 24-48 hours for Meta to build and stabilize the new lookalike. But you now apply the lookalike to an ad set, making sure to exclude the original source and existing customers to avoid audience overlap. Run a /B tests comparing 1% versus 3% and varied creatives to learn what scales. Monitor performance metrics like CPA and ROAS and refresh the source regularly to keep signals current. If performance lags, check match rate and source quality. Troubleshooting tip: if match rate is low, reformat or enrich your identifiers, and rebuild the custom audience before recreating the lookalike.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.